Hey everybody, it's Chip Walton. I'm here at Northern Brewer HQ to go behind the brew on our Irish Blonde Ale beer recipe kit. While not an official style according to either the BJCP or the Brewers Association style guidelines, it is a beer that you'll see examples of or riffs of it brewed in both Ireland and the US. So we made a kit for it. That kit is very popular and close to the hearts and brew kettles of many homebrewers year-round, but especially around St. Patrick's Day. You can think of Northern Brewer's Irish Blonde Ale as a stout without the roasted malts, or an overhopped straw gold cousin to the Irish Red Ale. The ingredients produce a beer with fruity and herbal hop notes over delicious, cozy malt flavors of buttered toast and warm cereal. The all-grain version is largely 2-row pale malt with 1 pound each of flaked barley and oat malt. This gives the beer full body and a smooth, thick mouthfeel. Some rice hulls might be a good idea here as well to prevent a stuck mash. The extract version is slightly different because you steep a small amount of Carapils malt and an even smaller amount of special roast malt before adding the wheat and Pilsner malt extracts. There are 2 charges of Palisade hops, one a bittering addition at 60 minutes and another flavor addition at 15 minutes. After flame out and chilling the wort, we recommend the use of an Irish ale yeast strain such as Omega's OIL 005 Irish Ale, or the other liquid and dry yeast options that we list on the beer kit product page. That yeast strain can kick off just a little bit of diacetyl, but in this case, enjoyable, combines well with the other flavors in the beer. Not so much like a butter bomb off flavor, but a complementary flavor. One customer review that echoes this, Ron C. says, "This was an exceptional beer." I say was, as it's already gone. 5 gallons, all grain kit, put in a keg, disappeared really fast. Everyone who tried it went back for more. It had a bit of butter or even butterscotch flavor with a hint of hop at the finish. We will do this one again. Brad H. calls it a great beer for every season and or occasion. A real crowd pleaser. This one goes fast, light and refreshing, but lots of flavors from the malt. I plan to keep brewing this one. Whether you're brewing for St. Patrick's Day festivities or you're just looking for a year-round light-colored beer with a very approachable combination of malts and hops, nothing over the top, do check out our Irish Blonde Ale Kit, extract and all grain versions, available now at northernbrewer.com.